Hey guys, good afternoon. It's New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to give a shout out to thank everyone for subscribing, and I certainly do appreciate it. It makes a big difference when I get likes and I get people subscribing, and I'm trying to get to 100 in the next 24 hours. So check out my MGB restoration uh, videos if you haven't checked them out, and I would appreciate if you would subscribe, share, and like, and looking forward to a great year in 2025. This one has been a little challenging with me being sick for about 6 weeks and out of commission about 4 months. So it's been a very interesting year. And I just want to leave it on a positive note that the MG is looking fantastic. Uh, the My Nemesis, the hood, it's been all taken back to metal. Any low areas, I have put some little bit of skim coat to level it all up, and it's not ready to be shot yet because I still got more sanding to do, and that's where we stand with that. The car, I got covered up for to keep stuff off of it for until I get a chance to put some clear coat on it. So that's where we are. I wanted to give you a little quick update for the end of the year. I appreciate you guys following along with my project, learning a lot on the way, and a lot I thought I knew, but didn't know as much as I thought I did. So it's a great project. I would recommend anyone, if you have time, to do something like this. It's very challenging, especially if you start talking about old British sports cars. So it's great. It's great for uh, your yourself, to get out here and do something, and you see people try to accomplish it, and with a little time, with the help of other YouTube channel people, I have come a long ways. So thanks a lot, and look forward to seeing you in 2025.